Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Spear, and today is the 18th. And I would also like to say Happy National Twins Day to all my twin subscribers. And you can check out my community post about National Twins Day. And I'm doing another cool Lego, like usual. And that is my newest Lego. And remember, smash that like and subscribe button for more awesome videos with the Justin Spear. And once again, Happy National Twins Day to all of my twin subscribers. And I will see you in another video with Hot Wheels, Legos, and more. See ya.